This is Cuckoo Bananas. Um, I when I went to performing arts, I'm not sure if the instrumental majors know this, but I went to performing arts high school when I was in high school too. And I know how difficult it is to choose to do this because you have to go to school. I've given you the speech before, I'm gonna talk to them. You have to go to school, you have to take all your normal classes, you have to then study your instrument. And that thing you love all of a sudden turns into that thing you have to do sometimes. And I understand that because I did it. Miss Gorman went to the same school that I did. We know it. And when I was in that school, I had a teacher who told me the same thing I tell you all the time. To study it is to let it become completely part of you, even if you don't choose to do it as a profession in the future. And I wanted to become an educator so that I could do the same thing for my students, the same way that that teacher did for me. So if you take these things that you learn here and you want to keep on going and make that music in any space, success is not meant to be something that is like a Grammy or anything like that. It's can you make music with people and can it change your life? And for the vocal majors, of course, but for the instrumental majors who I've gotten to play with in the past, you have 100% changed me completely at an atomic level. And I just love you so much. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.